In this video, we'll show you what to do if the Google Authenticator app is not working on your Android phone. So to fix this, first thing you need to do is long press on the Google Authenticator app, tap the info icon, and here tap on this force stop option and then select OK to confirm. Now scroll down and then tap on storage. Here you will need to tap on this clear cache option. Now what you need to do is head to the Play Store on your phone and then search for the Google Authenticator app. Now check if there are any pending updates available for the app. If there are, simply install them from here. Now open the app from here. Check if the Google Authenticator app is working as expected. If it's not, tap on this cloud icon at the top to sync all of your codes. Then tap on the profile icon next to it and then select use this app without an account and then select continue to confirm. Once you are signed out, tap the profile icon again and then sign into your account again. After that, check if your Google Authenticator app is working as usual. However, if nothing else works, what you need to do is open the settings app on your phone, scroll all the way down and then tap on general management. Now here tap on date and time. Now here make sure that the automatic time zone and automatic date and time toggles are enabled. If your phone is set to an incorrect date or time, the Google Authenticator app won't work. After doing this, simply go ahead and restart your Android phone and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.